Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Capcut security notice. So in Capcut, if you are using Capcut in the region where Capcut is banned, and if you are using your local internet, so there is a high chance that you will get the security notice. So if you want to fix the security notice, go to the home screen, open up the mobile settings, scroll down and you should find apps. Click on apps. Once you click on apps, this interface will appear. Click on manage apps and search for Capcut. Open it up, go to the storage, and at the bottom you should find clear data. Clear the cache memory. Once you clear the cache memory, scroll down and you should find connection method. Turn the Wi-Fi off and make sure that you have turned off the background data. Go to the battery saver and go for no restriction. Pause active, turn it on, and that is how you can easily fix Capcut security notice. If needed, you can just reinstall the app and that should definitely work. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries, leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.